Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this comic here, and here's what these are some foldable camping chair. So if you have seen my previous video, I actually reviewed one of these before, and this time they sent me two more to show you guys because they have like upgraded version, and I really like the chairs a lot. So I'm very thankful for them to send me some more of these chairs to give you guys an honest review about how well it's been working, and also show you guys like how well the newer version works compared to the older version because it is an upgraded version. And like I mentioned before in my other video, when you guys do compare this to another brand that's called like Click, it has a very similar design as what you guys do get, but when you guys really test out these, there's a big difference. And also I feel like this is actually a lot better when you guys do compare it to the other one because of the overall design for what you guys do get. But let's open up and show you guys which one they sent me for this time because it is or it should be a different color this time. Let's take a look. So I'll start with this one here first. So when you guys open the package inside, we do have one of them inside. So as usual, they do have this very nice little bag to carry the product around. Very nice. The brand name right there. And when you guys do open it up, the very first thing inside, looks like they do provide guys the instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use that. Pretty straightforward. And then underneath that, we do have the product. So I can see for this one that we got this time, it is a green color and definitely looks very nice. Very high quality material. I think the material is a little bit better when you guys do feel as well. I'm not sure if they made an improvement for that, but there's definitely some improvement that they mentioned on here that they improved. Should be slightly easier for you guys to open as well in terms of pulling the legs, which I will show you in a second. But right here is a green color. Let me show you guys what the other one looks like first before we actually open up and show you guys how to set it up. So let's take it out. Same thing, we do have the similar bag for you guys to carry around really easily, put it onto your shoulder or something. And it's just so lightweight, which I do like a lot. And then first thing inside, same thing, they give you guys the user manual to teach you guys how to set it up. And underneath that, we do have the actual product. So same thing, we do have the brand name, but this time we do have a blue one. So they do have blue and they also have green, and they have the other one that do have, that's the older version, that's like the pre-upgraded or before upgraded version, which is a black color. For this video, I just mainly want to show you guys this new version here of the upgraded version and show you guys how it does work. So since both of them are the same, let me show you guys how to open one of them first. And I might just put them side by side to show you guys what it looks like in a second. So it looks like the very first thing you guys want to do is pull the strap here, open it up. And then once you guys open up, they mentioned how you guys want to undo the Velcro straps on the second leg. So you probably want to take this off for the cover first. So once you guys to open up like this, they mentioned how you guys want to pull open the legs. So what that means right here, do one of them at a time or maybe two of them at a time, just to lock it in. There's actually one more here for you guys to pull to lock it back in place to make it very secure when you guys do pull it. Just like that. And once you guys got it all set up, you guys can pretty much unstrap the Velcro on the bottom here. And be careful because it will fling out if you guys don't be careful, as you can see. And then once you guys do fully open it, this is what the product looks like. So very easy and very simple to open it up. And I do feel like it's a little bit easier for the open up for this one. Just be careful the bottom part. It might fling out on your face, just like how I just did earlier. So do one of them at a time like this and be careful. I try to hold the bottom part right here, otherwise they'll fling up. But it definitely feels a lot more higher quality for this new version compared to the older version. And it still feels a lot more high quality than the Click chair that I have. But no, it's the same design on here, how they do have the breathable section on here. So that way when you guys do sit down, it's very breathable, especially when you guys do sweat. But here's the overall view of what the chair looks like when you guys do take a look. So before I put this away, let me show you guys what the green one looks like as well. So open it up. This time we'll be careful since we know how to open it up. So same thing, pull the legs out. I think after the first time you guys do it, it's a lot easier afterward. You can see how there's barely any effort the second time when I did it. And then here's what the top part looks like. And then for the bottom part right here, just like earlier, hold all of them when you guys do unstrap it. Don't just let go. That way you don't hurt yourself when you guys do it. Just like that. And I do want to mention for the bottom part right here, they do have like the non-slip material to prevent it from moving around when you guys do use that. And then for this part right here, you guys can actually turn it. It's a lot easier to show you guys the turning section on the bottom right here when you guys do put it on the floor. But here's what it looks like for the green one here. So what I'm going to do right now is to fold this back up first and show you guys how to put it away. And then we'll bring this over another room to show you guys what it looks like when you guys do use that. So the very first thing you guys want to just close this back up first. Make sure to hold all four of them while you guys are strapping in. That way it doesn't fling in your face. Once you guys do that, you're going to close the bottom part right here, one at a time. And when you guys do push this part in, you do want to be careful, try not to hurt your fingers or anything when you guys do push it down. Pretty straightforward, you can see. They definitely made improvements for this newer version compared to the old version that was available. So once you got it done, bring it back in, get the strap right here, close it back up. Very easy and very simple to see. It's almost like closing an umbrella, which is pretty interesting. And if you guys want to put this back inside, feel free to do so, but for this test, I'll just leave it as is. So that didn't take that long, you can see. And while I still have the other one out, I do want to mention on the product here, they do have a pocket for you to put stuff if you guys want to here as well. So they only have one on this side right here. So depending if you guys want to put like maybe your phone or wallet or something to put on the side here, feel free to do so. But that's pretty much everything that's on the product. What I'm doing right now is to bring this over to another room to show you guys what it looks like and how it does work first. All right, so right here I do have a chair set up. So if you guys open this one up as well, let me show you guys what it looks like and how easy it is to open up from this point of view. Since you have more space to work with to show you guys the whole setup process. So just pull it all out. It's actually a lot easier once you guys pull one of them at a time to actually stretch it all out first. So all of them looks good. Okay. And then bottom one here, slowly open it up, don't fling it out on your face. And then here's what the green one looks like when you guys do put it side by side. So like I mentioned, the way how to design both of these right here is actually very cool. How you guys can just sit down right here and just relax. And there's a little pocket right here for you to put stuff you guys want to. Maybe like your phone, your wallet, or anything else. But notice how when I do sit on here, when I do swirl or turn, very easy for you guys to turn 360 if you guys do want to. But obviously right here, I do have very limited space, so I can't really show you guys too much. But definitely support the weight on here when you guys do use FNC. Just try not to lean too far back, because if you guys lean too far back, you guys might fall down because of the weight on here. But you guys are more than welcome to turn 360 if you guys want to on here, as you can see. And the way how you guys put it away is actually very easy as well, if you guys saw. But this is pretty much what the product looks like once you guys set it up. Feel free to use for camping, hiking, or even just using it randomly when if you guys need to. Maybe if you guys need to open up a chair for someone to sit when they do visit. That way you save a lot of space instead of having like a huge chair just taking up space. You can just fold it back up until you guys need it again, which is really awesome. So now that I show you guys what it looks like right here, what I'm gonna do right now is to bring this into an outdoor setting to show you guys what it looks like if you guys would use it in an outdoor setting. And then just give you guys an idea what it looks like in an outdoor setting when you guys use it compared to indoor setting, because it might be a different perspective. So I'll do that first. All right, so you guys can also use it as an outdoor setting like this if you guys want to. Just sit here and watch your kids play in the pool or something and just relax. And just go about your day when you guys do use it, which is pretty cool. Welcome back, guys. So I can see how when you guys use the product, it definitely works really well and it's so easy for you guys to use it. Especially when you guys do put it on the ground to like do the twirling option to turn it 360. It's so easy for you to do it. I also love how easy it is for you to put it away, just like how I showed it earlier as well. So not only did they improve the option for you guys to take it out and set it up, but also improve the way for you guys to put it away with the high quality material that's on there. And they listen to the feedback of the customer, which is really awesome. But I think it's actually very cool how this small little product you can just bring along with you guys anywhere, as long as any amusement park allow you guys to bring it in. You can just bring this along, and when you guys want to just set it up, you guys can just set it up and start using it, which is pretty cool. I feel like I'll probably start using this a lot more than the older one because the material on here, like I mentioned, it does feel a lot better, a lot more higher quality as well when you guys do feel it, which is really awesome. And the other thing about this product is the fact that it's very strong and very sturdy in terms of material on here. So it does have wear and tear, or like the material on there to prevent any wear and tear from a very long time. And also it does have that high quality material that's water resistant or waterproof. So it's very easy for you guys to just wipe it off if you guys do get water on here, which is pretty cool. Especially if you guys are planning to use it for maybe waiting in line, for camping, hiking, or whatever, which is really awesome. And also the fabric and the durability of everything for different parts on here is very strong. They mentioned it should support up to 300 pounds when you guys can sit on here or whatever. So that's pretty cool as well, considering how small and how compact the unit is or the product is. But that's pretty much everything that's on the product. Now that I show you guys what the product looks like and how it does work, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality, compact, foldable chair similar to one you get right here. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.